Right, take a good look, because in theory, this is the last time this car is going to be in Worcestershire looking like that. That's the theory anyway, that's the plan. I tell you what though, these are looking good, aren't they? Those with the V6 diesel engine make a lot of sense. Right, we get some fuel, get some supplies, and then we're off to Nottingham. It's exciting, isn't it? Why not? I mean, everything's worth doing. Worth doing right. I always try and make these days out a bit of an adventure, and I forgot my sunglasses, so I pulled into Tesco because I needed some fuel. Got some sunglasses, which I think, to be fair, are women's sunglasses. They're a bit curvy, aren't they? So I'll give them to the missus when we're done, and to be honest, they don't do anything. That doesn't make any difference. But I needed a charger as well, because I left my car charger in the Bertoni when that went. And then I went a bit wild on the old Hot Wheels, didn't I? We got a GMC Cyclone in blue. We got a Holden Ute in white from Matchbox, and then I got this wicked Mazda MX-5 from Matchbox. I got another MX-5 from Hot Wheels, and then I got a nice little Camaro for Mrs. Geoff, because there's a running joke that she actually likes Camaros. I don't think she does. This Camaro for the wife, because there's a bit of a running joke that she likes Camaros, so every time I go anywhere I buy her a Hot Wheels Camaro. She'd probably like flowers or chocolate, but she gets Hot Wheels cars. And of course, a Kia Stinger in basically almost my favourite colour. The Kia Stinger is one of those cars that I feel like it's almost a channel car, because, you know, a year ago now I found one at a petrol station, and I was saying it was the best car, the new car, and the only one that I'd actually buy. I don't really do new cars, but if I was going to do new cars, that is the new car that I would do. And then I bought one in the petrol station when I sold that car, and it just kind of goes back a little bit with Geoff Buys Cars and the Kia Stinger, so I sort of buy one every time I do an adventure. So that was quite a haul. Anyway, petrol time. Got fuel. Got music. Let's roll.
I buried its guts. Started a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. Turn and spin and pedal like hell. Feel the way rhythm jumps to my feet. A bottle gonna turn like I never seen. 6 quick steps and I go to my side. Kick out the back and let's roll the ride with it. A bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA.
2 hours later.
And I did find that trim piece, it was in the car. And found something very similar to my Volvo outside. Well, similar colour anyway. Well, they're both red. All right, we'll leave it at that. But it's almost exactly the same, isn't it? If you squint, it's the same car. Well, I mean, that's got to be like everybody's dream Ferrari, hasn't it? That's the ultimate Ferrari. Look at that. That is the shape a Ferrari should be. If that's not your dream Ferrari, then there's something wrong with you. That is the ultimate Italian stallion. Love it. And then you've got the Swedish stallion over here. So, cool. Soon to be a touring car. It made it up here fine. Didn't seem to use any oil or coolant. Didn't use too much fuel either. 41 miles to the gallon I got. Mostly because I was driving like a granddad and singing my head off and enjoying myself. So there we go. That's the last time you'll see this car. Next time you see it, it should be white.
3 hours later.
Right, here we are then. Made it all the way up to Ant, Sign and Print. And we are now looking at a plan for the Volvo. So the rough plan, as you were just saying, is this. Yeah. So what we need to do is choose the colours, because you're basically going to cut this. So this is, we're not going for a pre-made kit then, are we?
No, I will literally just use this stuff which is called knifeless tape.
Yep.
Right, I will literally line it all out.
Yep.
So that will be wrapped as one piece of blue.
Yep.
Right, I will then cut it with that so you don't cut on the paint.
Yep.
Anyway, right, and then overlay that on the top and lay the graphics on there.
Cool.
It's so much easier because sometimes you buy a kit, it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
And it's just so much hassle.
And the main thing for me was I could have painted it myself and I could have ordered the stickers and put them on myself, but the end result would end up looking like I'd done it. And that's
like
not
Stevie
what I want.
Wonder had done it.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. You know, that when you get your kid's Lego kit out and you're trying to line up the stickers on it and then it goes on slightly wonky, like this is worse.
I still do that.
Yeah. But hopefully I'm paying you to do it properly.
Yeah.
So what I want to end up with is something that is in the absolute spirit of
as close to the touring cars as possible.
Cars as possible,
Yeah.
but with that element of Geoff. So, I think the only thing left for me to do is get him a taxi and leave you to it.
Pure gonzo journalism.
Geoff buys cars.
YouTube's most boring car channel.